All right, so in our new division module, please find part 6, U.S.-Rome comparison division. All right. We've been looking at political problems, corruption. Because that was a big problem for Rome's Senate. Right. Another problem, right, a huge problem, was division. In the case of the Roman Empire, it was an actual division into two separate empires, the Eastern and Western empires. The Western Empire declined, right? And remember, the Western Empire is the one we think of as Rome. Rome was in it. The Eastern Empire became known as the Byzantine Empire, and it was led from Constantinople in what's now Istanbul, Turkey. But during this time, the Western Empire is declining as the Eastern Empire gets wealthier and stronger. And the two empires did not coordinate their actions very well. They did not work together to deal with threats like foreign invasions that were particularly troublesome for the West. Right? Naturally, the East was less concerned about them. As a result, division helped to drive the Western Roman Empire closer to its ultimate collapse. Your job, right, as we work through these lessons, again, is to answer this driving question. Does today's U.S. suffer the same problems of corruption, division, and instability as the Romans did? And of course, today we're focused on division. The information you're going to need is in a series of 3 videos. As always, you're going to be completing a fillable PDF. So let's get that downloaded. Open up a new tab, and then click on Kami from your bookmarks bar. Drag and drop your doc. Okay, now you should not see this yet. You should see this on Monday when we open this assignment again to finish it. So if you were wondering when this is due, all right, now you've got your answer Monday, and as you might have guessed, it will be Monday at the end of the class period. Okay. We've got our recap here, just to remind you why we're looking at this. Make sure you go ahead and put your name in there. You don't want to lose 5 points for something as simple as forgetting your name. You guys have been pretty good about that, but it's still tripping up a few people. Okay. All right. As you watch the first video, which is called Why Red Means Republican and Blue Means Democrat, I want you to complete the following. Because, as you're going to see, when we talk about division in the United States, it's not about splitting into the Eastern and Western United States. It's more about blue states and red states. All right, so we need to know what those concepts of blue states and red states mean. For the second video, growing up Democrat in a red state, Republican in a blue state, I want you to complete the following. And the issue here is really to think about just how deep the division between red and blue states has become. Through these personal stories of kids and families in America. All right, and then for the third video, all right, this is somebody's kind of a translation of a good German term for this is a thought experiment. Oh, sorry, Lily. Thought experiment. What if Republican and Democrat states were separate countries? I want you to complete this in order to be able to make a good comparison between blue and red Americas. All of those facts and figures you're going to need are presented in the video. Okay. once you've done that, right, I've got a passage here from the article you read quite a while back about the 8 reasons for the fall of the Roman Empire. This is all about the division. Okay. I then want you to reflect on that excerpt from the article and what you have learned in this lesson to answer these questions. You're going to be doing your own thought experiment. Which country, red or blue America, would be most like the Eastern Roman Empire, right? Becoming wealthier, stronger. Which, right, and then provide 3 pieces of evidence to support that decision. Then the flip side, which country, red or blue America, would be most like the Western Roman Empire, right? Weaker, declining, right? More vulnerable. Tell me, and again, provide 3 pieces of evidence to back up that decision. And then also think, what country might attack this hypothetical divided America? And which would be its first target, red America or blue America? Continuing our theme, explain your answer and provide 3 pieces of evidence from the lesson to support your explanation. There's space. I don't know that anybody's going to need that space. I don't expect you to fill all of that, right? But you have it. Okay. Again, this is due at the end of the class period on Monday. We will have an exit slip today, but you guys have got solid 25 minutes to start work. Okay. If the video is showing as restricted, please click on the link to go to YouTube. Okay, so go back to that opening in YouTube. Okay. Let's enter the link for the video. Okay, and let's make sure that you are signed in YouTube as your school district account. Sometimes what happens, guys, if you're trying to watch the video and it shows as blocked, that just means you need to be signed in with your district account. And that looks like that cleared it up for you. So, guys, if you have a problem with the videos, let me know, right, and I will help you get those resolved. All right, any other questions? Yes. Yes, excellent question. As always, if you do not have your own headphones or earbuds to link to your computer, please borrow a set of headphones from the second shelf on the blue bookcase and just return them at the end of the hour. Okay, any other questions? All right, get to it.